everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we will discuss how can enable create an account so customer can view and manage orders. So first we will check what is issue, why. So first go at here and proceed checkout, and now suppose I am just putting any email ID at here and place order. Now order received, but there is no information of that user, so it is big loss of customer. So for that, first go to your setting. First go to your setting section and go to general section, and at here click on membership, and anyone can register, and new user default role select as customer, click on save changes, and then go to WooCommerce and click on settings, and then click on account and privacy, and at here click on account creation and during checkout, and also enable login during checkout, and then click save changes. And then now we will check again. Below and add to cart, view. Now proceed. Now at here it is coming create an account with Boo. So like I'm entering password, and at here my pro tip is, if you want automatic password will be there, so that any customer do not insert any password at here, and they can change password in my account. And now place order. Now click on my account, and at here you can see all information: order, dashboard, download, address, and they can also update at here. All information is here, and there is some pro tips for this video. First, enable account creation at checkout, which I already told you, and second, use auto generate password. So at here, when we are purchasing anything at checkout time, there should be auto generated password, so that customer can always change it later, but this avoid drop off during registration. Third is customize the account page, and you can also change my account page. Many time it is boring, so you can customize it with useful link like track my order or contact support, etc. And fourth is add social login. So if we do social login like Google, etc., so I also made video on this social login, social means login via Google, etc., so you can watch that. And redirect after login, this is also important, like if I order something, then that customer must be redirect to my account page, so that and also like my order page redirection must be there. And that's it, guys. And my goal is to hit to 2000 subscriber, and your support means the world to me. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to channel. Thank you. We will connect in next video.